Yo, what is up everyone? It's your boy Ivan the Great. Welcome back to Ivan's Garage. It's been a minute since I picked up this camera, I'm not gonna lie. Last video, we basically finished this car, put it together, but we ran into a ton of issues, addressed some of them, but there's still a ton to get through. But before that, we have some very exciting things to do. One of the best parts about working at Subi Heaven is that we got a ton of Subaru parts laying around. One of our friends is doing a really big build right now and his car is gonna be down for a while, and he has an HKS exhaust chilling here, and we decided we're gonna throw it on my car because right now it has a stock exhaust on it, downpipe, catless downpipe, but stock exhaust, and it's just too quiet. So here it is. It is a HKS. Correct me if I don't think it's a Carbon TI. It might be. I don't know which one it is. I'm not sure. I really don't know what the model is. I'm not gonna lie, but it's an HKS exhaust. Let me show you guys what the car sounds like right now, so you guys see the difference it makes. That thing is just too damn quiet, especially for what it is. For those of you who don't know, this is an STI swap Bugeye, so it has a 257 in it, and I just want to hear that 2.5 rumble so bad. So let's get this thing on. Look at this freaking restrictive ass exhaust. Resonator here. I don't even, this might actually be a cat, I don't know. Skinny pipe all the way back to this big muffler in the back. Let me get rid of all this. It's honestly quieter than I thought it was gonna be. It sounds a lot better than it did though. Alright, I still haven't fixed the windows not going down, so I'm just gonna put a GoPro on the back and take some shots from outside. I got the urge to work on my car randomly today after work, so I'm doing a few little things. I'm still waiting to get the drive shaft. I haven't got it yet, so until we get that, we can't get it road ready, like road ready. One thing I haven't done yet is properly mount my gas pedal. This chassis is drive-by-wire. No, this chassis is drive-by-cable, so the gas pedal is on a Bugeye is normally connected to a long cable that runs to the throttle body, and the throttle body opens by pulling the cable. But since my swap is an 07 STI, it's drive-by-wire. So we had some issues mounting my gas pedal because the holes are different from the gas pedal, this physical gas pedal mounting bracket. The holes on my chassis are different. So luckily there's this awesome company called iWire. If you're a Subaru guy, you probably know about them, but they make everything you need for doing swaps. They actually, if you send them, if you want a turbo swap, your non-turbo Subaru, let's just say, you send them your harness and the turbo harness, and they merge the two and make it really easy for you to turbo your car. In this case, I don't have an iWire harness because my car just has a full harness swap, but I did need this adapter plate to properly mount my gas pedal. As you can see, we got one bolt holding that thing in right now, and it's not mounted in the right place. So I'm going to put this on and get it mounted in the right place. Super high quality billet comes with hardware. Big shout out to iWire. Got a 12 mil.
Nope.
Oh my God. Okay. As you guys can see, these are the mounting holes for the chassis, and this mounts right here. Awesome. Okay. There it is. Looking good. Shout out to iWire again. Oh my God. Now we have full throttle. Before I didn't. Let's give it a little test. Test-a-rooney. I got a left foot brake because I got no lead brake right now. Let's go. Okay, a couple of things before we end this video. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know that I snagged up a JDM trunk a while back for like an insane deal. Well, yesterday we put it on. I didn't film it, but here's the car. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sheesh. I don't know if you guys can see well because of the light, but this is it. Let me show it to you guys for those of you who haven't really seen it. I know I just put a clip, but it's black, obviously. I let my buddy Chris use it for a while because his car is the same color, but now that my car's almost done, I asked for it back. We got this JDM WRX badge, pink letters, and normally on the US cars it says Impreza, and here it says Subaru. STI 02 to 04 STI badge, JDM obviously, and this is actually a sticker. Chris looked it up, a sticker from a Japanese Subaru dealership, so that's pretty cool. Eventually I'm gonna paint it, but I'm gonna probably rock it black for a while. It looks pretty cool. Some angles it looks a little weird with it being black, but others it just looks sick. I like it. I'm happy with it. I can see it in my rear view. It looks dope. Very nice. Another thing, Someone that I've gotten a lot of parts from, my entire interior, a bunch of other stuff, happened to come across a hood for me, because if you guys don't know, my hood is destroyed. It is dented, folded in half. When I towed the shell over here, when I first picked the car up, I was driving on the highway. I was so excited, I didn't even think about the fact that the hood wasn't latched down. All of a sudden I keep looking at the car in the rear view, like excited. Next time I look, the hood is in the windshield. I'm just like, damn. Windshield got crushed, hood destroyed, hood scoop cracked. It was unfortunate. This hood scoop was mint before. So luckily, my good friend Andy had this clean hood that I bought from him. It's a little bit wrinkly along this line. Most Bugeye hoods are. Has like one dent, like right here, is barely visible. But besides that, it's clean. Super clean, way better than mine. I'm probably gonna put it on soon. But I do want to get a new hood scoop. Probably gonna get the JDM hood scoop, which is a little taller. Another thing, I thought that I was having electrical issues and my windows weren't working, my door locks weren't working. I was like, what the hell's going on? So last night when the hood got dropped off, Andy told me that if the main switch isn't working, like this switch isn't working, none of the doors are gonna work. So I went and got my old doors, took the harnesses out, and when I went to take this out to see if the plug was different, it was unplugged. So now it works. Oh my God, it feels like a car. Every time I got in here before, I felt trapped. Now I can enjoy the half door life. This is one of my favorite part about GDs, is that the door is a half door. It's so relieving to know that I don't have major electrical issues. Alright y'all, I'm gonna make this one quick. I'm pretty far ahead, not too far actually from this video. I'm a little bit further ahead real time still, not caught up on the videos, so I don't want to say too much of where I'm at. But I wanted to give a proper outro. Moving forward, very far forward on this car. Everything's finally coming together, and I feel like this was definitely my best video so far, so I'm super happy about it. So drop a like down below, drop a comment, let me know what mods I should do to the Bugeye, and don't forget to hit that sub button. We still have a ton to get done with this car, so stay tuned for that. But for now, peace out. I love you all.